Good day, everyone. My name is Liana Golimlim, a member of Kurit-Lagting Art Collective in Sorsogon. Plastic productions and waste have dramatically increased. It is a part of a global waste crisis. Majority of plastics are not recycled, ensuring that this multiplication in production results in a multiplication of a harmful waste, and burning waste can cause a long-term health problem. Through digital application, how can we share our advocacy in saving the Mother Earth? Boomerang application is from Instagram. It makes everyday moments fun and unexpected. It creates captivating mini videos that loop back and forth. Then share them with your friends. Ang unang gagawin ay i-download at install ang app na to sa Google Play Store or iOS. At pagkatapos ma-install, i-open ang Boomerang app. Once na na-open ang app, i-click ang Get Started. Paano ba gamitin ang app na to? Tap the shutter button in a normal or selfie mode. And Boomerang captures 5 quick shots over the span of a seconds. Isa sa mga nagawa ko ay gumamit ako ng coloring materials and paper. At isinulat ko ang advocacy na ban single-use plastic. And here's the output. Once you capture the video, you are given an option to slide your Boomerang over to Instagram or Facebook, where you can edit and share. The next application is called Microsoft Hyperlapse. The main features of this app, it captures video and select a hyperlapse speed, resulting in a time lapse with a smoothly moving camera. It imports existing video from the phone's camera roll and hyperlapse it. Microsoft Hyperlapse Mobile support hyperlapsing a video multiple times at a different speed rates, from 1 to 32 times. It creates selfie time lapses. Simple and intuitive user interface make you an expert in a seconds. First, download and install the app. Paano ba gamitin ang app na to? Una, import existing videos or record new ones. Pangalawa, shot your video. Pangatlo, choose your speed. Here is the actual video in using the Microsoft Hyperlapse. After you choose the speed for this video, you can share the video through Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you for listening, and I hope you can use this app to share your advocacies. Once again, this is Liana Golimlim, a member of Kurit-Lagting Art Collective in Sorsogon.